currently in Bangkok. Today we're going to be exploring the southern side of the city, just under Chinatown, around some art galleries, and then later in the day we're going to head to Khao San Road to get some massages.
And here's the view from our hotel room. We're on the 29th floor, and it's 32 stories. The hotel is really nice, just a little bit outdated. You can see in the design here, there's no power outlets, just one right behind the beds. And wait till you see the color of this place. But fantastic view of the city. And this right here, folks, is the outside of our hotel. Pretty funky looking. Pretty in pink. What do you say, Emma?
I say there are no pictures of this when you book it. They show all the other more elaborate buildings, but everything is just fine. The gym is awesome. We've used it every single day.
Thank you. Alright, so we got here in the Arts District, and it turns out it's Bangkok Design Week.
Perfect.
We're not really sure what that entails, but there's a lot of pop-up art galleries and exhibits, so we're going to go ahead and take a look around and see what there is to offer around here.
See some local art.
Street art is really cool here.
Yeah. Alright, so Warehouse 30 is, as the name suggests, an old warehouse converted into different studios and exhibits for modern art. Some are kind of interactive. There's also a food court back there, and we lucked out by coming during Bangkok Design Week.
Hopping on a ferry to cross the river right now. Gate 1.
Oh yeah.
Khao San.
Khao San.
So here we're walking into Lhong 1919, which is a 19th century Chinese mansion turned into a mixed-use complex with shops, restaurants, and a shrine. So let's take a look around.
Alright, so we are back on the waterfront. We just bought tickets to the hop on, hop off boat. And if you've traveled at all, you might be familiar with the hop on, hop off buses. So we're going to take this up the river towards Khao San Road. However, I don't think we'll be doing any hopping off because it's a little bit too hot out here for us to walk. So we're just going to get off at Khao San Road and grab some food.
See what we can get into at Khao San Road. Maybe some bugs, maybe some foot massages, and some beer.
Definitely some foot massages.
Absolutely.
No bugs.
Yeah,
for
that's
me.
the plan. All right, jump, Emma, jump.
Okay, yeah.
Bang Rak ครับนี่เป็นท่าสุดท้ายเดินสู่สายท่านี้ผู้ใดได้จับท่าเรือกับเหนียวนั่งจับกับตามที่มัน
Smallest piece.
This one.
150, yeah.
Oh, you guys, it smell. I can smell it already.
Try it.
We're gonna try some durian right now. The first time we try it naturally and not dried.
Well, I've never tried it dry. Have you?
Wait, yeah, actually we've never had it dried.
Here, can you eat it?
You have a 50?
Thank you very
No,
much.
I only have a 1,000.
Oh, scorpions. No, thank you.
Oh God.
So we're gonna try some durian right now. It stinks terribly. Tastes awful though.
I don't think so. I think it'll be okay.
Is anything like the ice cream? Ooh.
Oh, that's so gross.
Oh.
Is it bad?
Oh my God. Oh, look at it.
Oh.
No.
It's not
Tastes that
good.
gross?
It's not good. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It could be worse.
Let me try.
Tristan?
It's kind of just like a mushy banana.
Yeah, mushy banana. Take a big bite too. Oh yeah, it's real creamy and mushy.
Custard.
Custard. That doesn't taste like a fruit. Yeah, that's gross. You want to try it?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
I don't even know how to like.
Try it from like that side.
This side? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It tastes like stinky, rotten meat.
It tastes like shit. Oh, that's the nastiest thing I've ever had.
No, we gotta throw that away.
Here, let me try it again. I'll give it one more try. Oh, I don't need a hammock, no thank you.
Scorpion.
No,
Okay.
they're probably better than this. Oh.
Probably, actually.
Oh. I feel dizzy.
Oh, it leaves like a sour taste on your tongue too, like a
rotten garbage taste is what it tastes like.
no, it's not that bad.
Okay. Not good.
I just remember
Headed to
when,
the last stop of the day, Khao San Road. Should be a little bit more lively since it's getting later compared to when we were here the other day in the middle of the day.
Oh, it's so hot.
You excited?
Yes, I'm excited to eat something better than. Oh, gross. Yeah, look.
making something and
I'm sure they can smell it out. Oh yeah, they're not gonna touch that.
Back alleyway to Khao San Road. Sweet.
Cool.
Here we are. Gator.
crocodile barbecue.
Khao San Road is fully in effect now. All the vendors out. It's alive.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, what time is it, Emma?
It is 7:02, also known as massage time. Yes. 30 minutes, not enough.
How's life, Emma?
Life is great. Cannot complain. Mango sticky rice, chang, and a great massage. Thanks for following us around Bangkok today. We are going to just sit here and get massaged.
And enjoy our massages by our amazing masseuses.
Cheers.
Hey, hello.